In order to make a Windows bootable USB, you have to open browser and search for Rufus application. Click on the first link and download the application. Go to Downloads and run the Rufus application as an administrator. Insert the USB drive before running the application. Now click on Select button and then select the ISO image of Windows. Select partition scheme as MBR for BIOS-based systems and then click on Start button. Now it will start formatting and creating bootable USB drive. Finally, it's done.